Kohls Pay, it's mostly automatic, partly magic. Hi, I'm Ashley. Are you ready to set up Kohls Pay? Make sure you have these 3 things first. 1. An active Kohls charge card. 2. A Kohls.com shopping account with your Kohls charge as a payment method. 3. The latest version of the Kohls app. Now all you have to do is open your Kohls app and tap Kohls Pay. Select your Kohls charge card to link it to your Kohls Pay. Choose a phone number or email to receive a one-time verification code. Now you have all your offers, rewards, Kohls Cash, and Kohls Charge in one place. At checkout, let the associate know that you're going to use Kohls Pay. Scan the QR code that pops up on the customer display. All of your offers, rewards, and Kohls Cash will show up in your mobile wallet. See your total, select Approve, and you'll get a confirmation that your transaction has been completed. Who needs a wallet when you have a phone? Any more questions? Click here.